Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign up for Airbnb. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Airbnb.com. You should land on Airbnb's homepage where you can browse stays and experiences. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official site and that the page loads fully. This helps ensure everything works smoothly during sign up. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page for a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. On mobile devices, it's usually in the same spot at the top right. On a larger screen, you'll still find it there, near the profile area. Click the 3-line menu to open the account options. A panel will appear with choices related to your profile and settings. From here, select Login or Sign Up. Even if you see the word Login, the same panel includes the Sign Up option, so you're in the right place. Now you'll see several ways to create your account. You can enter an email address or a mobile number, or you can choose a single sign-on option. In this example, we'll choose Continue with Google. If you select Google, pick the account you want to use and follow the prompts to grant access. If you prefer to use an email or phone number instead, enter the requested details carefully. Use an email you can access right now, since you may be asked to verify it. Continue by following the on-screen procedure. Airbnb may ask for your full name, your date of birth, and your country or region. These details help keep your account secure and consistent for future bookings. You may also be asked to accept the Terms of Service and Privacy policy. If a verification code is sent to your email or phone, retrieve it and enter it exactly as shown. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder and try resending the code if needed. When creating a password, choose something strong and unique to keep your account safe. After you finish the prompts, you'll be brought back to Airbnb with your new account ready. You'll typically see your profile icon or initials in the top right confirming you're signed in. From here, you can start browsing places to stay or experiences to book, and you can return to your account menu anytime to update personal details. That's it. You've successfully signed up for Airbnb by opening the menu, selecting Login or Sign Up, choosing your preferred sign-in method, and completing the on-screen steps. Enjoy exploring.